What's going on? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Scratch All King back with a little $40 session. I got Cash Explosion and Holiday Jumbo Butts 100 times. Hope everybody having a good new year. Hope everybody was safe. So we gonna start off with the Holiday Jumbo Butts. It's on ticket 0. Let's see what we can get. Okay. We got 40, 25, 9, 8, 1, 39, 33, and a 13. Let's see what we can do. First number is 3. Next number, 28. Then I got 31. Nope. A 7. 1 off. 20. Nope. 23. Got a 33. 29. Got a 39. Got a 12. 1 off. Come on, money, where you at? Got a 38. 1 off. 18. 32. 1 off. Got a 2. 1 off. Got 35. Got a 40. Okay, we got a match. Got a match at 40. Okay, let's see if we can get something else. Got a 24. 1 off. Got a 14. 1 off. Got a 27. Nope. Got a 10. Got a 6. Nope. And we got a 21. So we got one match, 40-40. Let's see if we can get past the ticket. Okay, we got past it. Got $30. Okay. I'll take it. Okay, we got Cash Explosion right here. One of the best $20 tickets out. So number 3, we're looking for the money bag or the star. Let's see our numbers. Scratch is pretty good. Okay, we got 36, 17, 20, 38, 8, 31, and 19. Let's see if we can get something. Got a 5, 1 off. Got a 21, 1 off. Got a 35. Nope. Got a 32. 1 off again. Got a 37. 1 off. Got a number 9. 1 off. Come on, baby. Got a number 3. Nope. 34. Nope. Got a 2. No 2s. Got a 12. Nope, ain't seen no 12. Got a 15. Nope. Got a 7. Did I see 7? Seen 17. 1 off. Got a 4. No 4s. Got a 14. Nope. 22. Nope. Come on, money, where you at? Got another 40. Nope. Need 20 and 30. 33. My money bag, where you at? 28. 38. 11. And we have 18. 1 off. It's all good. Won 30 back from 40. I will definitely take it. And I want to give a shout out to the Scratch Off community. I'm at 1,000. I think I'm at 1,030 something followers right now. And man, it took a long way to get to 1,000. I never thought I'd get there. But I got there in less than, I think, 6-7 months. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's all good. I want to thank everybody for giving me tips and tricks on starting my page. A lot of people told me not to start a YouTube page, but you know, I've been scratching off for at least 10 years now, and I know I've been watching a couple of y'all for a good 2, 3 years now. The Georgia Scratcher, the Low Boy King, Travis Low Boy King, the Gambler, Scratching Fish. I've been watching a lot of y'all for at least good 2 years now, so I went on and decided to start a page. But I'm grateful for all the likes, comments, and subscribers. And I trust me, I really appreciate it. And in a minute, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so y'all be looking for that. But I want to thank all of y'all. Hope y'all have a happy new year, and I see y'all later.